Once again, it's Grape Street Gotti, aka 9,000 watts, back at you on the block in the booth. Here to drop Big Meech sentence reduction here. Now I'm about to drop the truth on how Big Meech got a sentence reduction. And it wasn't because a third-party corporation. Now this is why Big Meech got a sentence reduction and why Cuffy is lying. On June 14, 2021, this court reduced the defendant's sentence to 324 months imprisonment after USSG Amendment 782 lowered its offense level to 40 and the corresponding sentencing range to 324 to 405 months. Now it's telling you that his sentence was lowered due to Amendment 782. Now, for those who don't know what Amendment 782 is, hear what it is. Amendment 782 reduces all base offenses levels found in the sentencing guidelines, drug quantity table, USC section 2D1.1 by 2 levels, which virtually affects all sentences for federal drug crimes with expectations. Now, this is telling you what Amendment 782 is and why Big Meech has a sentence hearing reduction. Everybody see what 782 is? This is Big Meech. Got a sentence reduction. Because the hearing 782. Amendment 782 is the reason why Big Meech has his sentence reduction. No third-party corporation. Now, furthermore, the parties stipulate that under 18 USC 3582 C2, the court may reduce defendant's sentence to a term of imprisonment not lower than 292 months. The party further agrees that the factors set forth in USC 3553A support a reduction in sentence to the same point in the amendment guideline range as the point originally selected by the court when applying the original guideline range. This is at the bottom of the range, which is 292 months. Now let's tell you. Also, to contrast with that sentence reduction, he falls under 18 USC 3582.C, provides that a criminal defendant is eligible for a sentence reduction if he was initially sentenced based on the sentencing range that was later lowered by the United States Sentencing Commission. So basically what this is saying is that when the law changed, the First Amendment that I showed y'all, that he was eligible because it was retroactive. So when the law passed, even though he was already sentenced, he was eligible because it was retroactive. So this is how Big Meech got a sentence reduction. Not a third-party corporation. This is how Big Meech got a sentence reduction. Not a third-party corporation. Showed y'all both of those amendments and why Big Meech has a sentence reduction. And none of that relates to a third-party corporation at all. What happened in this situation is that Big Meech knew Tammy was an informant, but he wasn't dealing with her on the drug level, on the business level. So he trusted her. So he trusted her to pass a number to Cuffy. Is where he made the biggest mistake, by trusting the rat. You can never trust the rat. And she backstabbed him. But being in the game, Meech should have never passed that number to Tammy, knowing that she was an informant. No matter how much you trust her, don't trust her with me. I mean, if you're dealing with a rat and you trust that rat, don't trust her with me. That's you and that rat business. If you're doing business with that person, that's on you. But I wouldn't want you to trust her with me. And that's what Big Meech made a mistake at. By trusting Tammy to pass the phone number. But that wasn't why Cuffy got indicted. That was part of his indictment. But like I showed y'all in my other ones, Cuffy was getting indicted and they was watching him because he had to do murder that testified against his brother. So that's how the initial indictment started on Cuffy and they started watching him. And Tammy's just enhanced it. But on the other hand, on Cuffy case, like I showed y'all before, Cuffy told on them shooters that he hired. Now, you don't see none of this on Meech, showing that he cooperated with the government. Meech just trusted a rat. This dude cooperated with the government, Cuffy. Dion Lamont Gatlin. Statement of reasons of why he got the time that he got. He was facing a life sentence. He was facing a death penalty. Cuffy was facing a death penalty. He came from up under the death penalty. This is the reason why Cuffy came from up under the death penalty, because he cooperated. When he took that sentence, he debriefed and told on the shooters. This is the paperwork to prove that Cuffy told. But on the other hand, since I've been covering this, only thing I seen Big Meech do was put his trust in the rat and got backstabbed. A rat who was chasing some cheese and got backstabbed. So that's what Big Meech messed up at, putting his trust in the rat. But he nowhere in the paperwork does it say Meech done a third-party corporation. And here's, I just showed y'all the paperwork of why he got a sentence reduction. Nothing to do with third-party corporation. So there you have it, the truth and the proof. Wow, Big Meech got a sentence reduction. The truth and the proof why Big Meech got a sentence reduction. No third-party corporation. See the amendment? 782. Y'all don't know what Amendment 782 is? They changed the law for the amount of drugs that you was charged with. So that's why Big Meech got a sentence reduction. No third-party corporation. Once again, bringing y'all the real with the proof and actual fact paperwork to show and prove the real facts of what I'm dropping. Big Meech, no third-party corporation. From everything I covered, he just trusted a rat. So there you have it. Cuffy is the actual rat that actually cooperated that. Y'all see proof and paperwork. Cuffy, he cooperated. This is cooperation. That's why he had his sentence reduction. Ask Cuffy how he had his sentence reduction and why did he have his hearing secret. And this is why. Something gonna always leak between the crack. St. Louis Kingpin, BMF Cuffy, told, according to this paperwork here. So there you have it, true facts. Big Meech, no third-party corporation. 50 Cent then blew his name up. 50 Cent knew Tammy was an informant, but also worked with Tammy, knowing she was an informant. You know what I'm saying? These dudes working informants, so they both broke the rules. Working with an informant, putting their trust in the rat. So there you have it. Big Meech got backstabbed. No third-party corporation. Cuffy is the actual rat.